Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for Gmail and to make your emails faster and smarter. Let's begin. First, open your Gmail and click on the plus icon over here on the right side. This will be your extension section. Then you can easily navigate through these add-ons over here, or you can easily look up for GPT on the search bar if it's not showing up. So I'm going to click on this to see more information, then click install and continue to add it to your account. Okay. Next, I would like you to compose an email once you've successfully added all or once you have successfully installed GPT for Gmail. But let's wait for this to finish first. It might take a few seconds and it's done. It has now been successfully installed. Over here, it shows in here that GPT for Gmail was installed and I can easily access the settings over here. Now let's compose an email. Then you can easily see that the newly installed add-on GPT for Gmail is now showing up in here. Click it to open the AI assistant and type your draft or prompt like, did you get a chance to read my last email? And click generate. Okay, any prompt you would like to use GPT for, and make sure to review the suggested text and click insert to add it to your email. And that's it. GPT is now ready to help you write emails faster, save time, and keep your communications professional. I hope you found this video very helpful.